Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Message from your lover, your person, your soulmate, your friend, your lover, your ex. What is happening with them currently? We will look into this reading, friends. And many of you requested this reading in English, so here it is now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, click the bell icon, and hit all notifications if you haven't already. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. Many angel blessings. I hope you are all doing well and staying positive. I know times are getting tough, friends, and I am warning you here because that's my job to tell you what's going to happen. Stay positive, friends. We are entering into an amazing roller coaster ahead, so stay positive. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our websites www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And you can also watch other pick a card readings. I have already done 2021 readings. I have also done the October readings, love, singles, general charms reading, a lot of readings. I post every day. So, yes, friends, subscribe, like, and share. So let's take a deep breath without any further ado. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one, this beautiful orange house. It's pretty. This fairy house, orange. Option number two, this beautiful lavender purple house. Option number three, this beautiful blue house. Relax, take a deep breath. Think of your person and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose your option and see your reading. You can also choose more than one. You can also watch the entire reading because themes are resonating now because the collective energy is superb. I'll also be pulling these love messages as you all requested. So friends, let's start with option number 1. Let's see what's happening with your person. For those who chose option number 1, this beautiful orange uh, fairy house, let's see what's happening with your person. What is on their mind, what are they thinking? This is your romance angels advice. Let's see your cards. The King of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, Empress. Interesting, very interesting. And the Nine of Swords. I was expecting some swords card because I did saw the Queen of Swords. And the Ten of Swords. Okay. I hope you can see the cards, friends. Wow. So I feel your person is right now you're not in contact with this person. You had a brutal ending with this person. There has been a lot of arguments, a lot of harsh words said. I think you both have really squashed each other's ego. It is like the ego is flat. Someone, either they hurted you and you said something back, or they hurted you. I don't know what, you both said something to each other, and it's like you really destroyed this person. Pile number 1, I really see you have destroyed this person completely because this person is a little egoistic. And I know our viewers would be like, little is an understatement. This person is hell egoistic. I know, friends. I do feel this person is a little obsessed with themselves, and I do feel there has been arguments, and this ending has been tough for you. You have said, you have completely destroyed this person. I don't know if you are aware of this or not, our viewers, but you have destroyed their ego. Because they hurted your heart, which wasn't fair. I think you were very kind to this person. You were like this empress to this person. You were kind, nurturing, giving, but all they choose was, all their focus is money, 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 my, baby, 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 say bye, bye, bye. Like that, this person was completely focused on money. You squashed their ego. I see their ego lying flat. Like, that tire in the car which are flat and now things can't run. Yes, so what's happening currently? This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You both could be these sun signs. This person could also be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you both could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I do feel a Scorpio and Cancer vibe. So maybe this person's sun sign, moon sign, or their rising sign is in Cancer, Scorpio, or our viewers' sun sign is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Right now, this person is struggling. They are not able to sleep, they can't get you out of their head, and they are really struggling. This ending has hurted this person. The way you rose to power, the way you said your truth, pile number one, our viewers, this person was completely shocked. They have never seen a woman like you, a person like you, a man like you, who stood up and just went out on them. And this person is having nightmares. They keep crying about what they did to you. I definitely feel this person wanted your respect. This person still also right now wants your respect. They want to see they want to be your equal, and somehow they feel they are not your equal. You are honest, loyal, and they are in their ego, in their money, in their power. I also feel, friends, this person right now wants to talk to you. They are thinking of messaging you. I do see this is a long distance relationship for most of you. You are not from the same cities. You are not also from the same cultures. I also feel you may be of the same age group, but for some of you, there is an age difference also, and that became a problem. Like this person was quite young or immature and quite egoistic, and oh my god, you just blasted this person off. And good for it, because I think they needed it. I think they needed it. And I think I think this person is really pampered. This person is a very pampered child. So you really showed them the truth. You made them stand on their feet. Now this person is crying what they did to you, how they, how foolish they looked, how stupid they look. I feel this person is trying to message you, and they keep writing something. I see them and then deleting it, writing and then deleting it. So they are never happy with whatever they are writing. So they are like, should they or should not they send this to you? I do see they are going to message you very quickly in the next 8 days, or maybe in the next 8 to 10 days, yeah, or maybe very soon after this reading they will message you. Yeah, I definitely in the next 8 hours or the next 8 days. So you should see. I do that readings very often. The next, what's coming next reading, next 48 hours reading. So you can check that also to get more guidance. Will this person be coming or not? I do feel, friends, this person right now is also trying to focus on their work, on their money, on their career. They are trying to get things sorted in their life. This person is trying to cooperate, and you have humbled this person. You have really destroyed their ego. I think now they are learning to cooperate with others, which was never their high point. This person was not very cooperative. I think this person has a lot of pride, or they were in a lot of pride, ego, money, all those things. I also feel you were exceptionally kind to this person. They do respect you right now, and they do see you as the future husband or wife material. They do feel like you are the queen or the king of their heart, of the universe. So this person is like, baby, baby. You have heard that song from Justin Bieber, right? Baby, baby. So I keep getting that song. So yeah, they they definitely want to work things out with you. I do see their ego is humbled, and I see if you have common friends, they are asking about you, because you definitely don't want to see this person or talk about them or talk directly with them. It's even a surprise you are watching this reading, because I feel you are really upset with this person. So I do see them talking and asking their friends about you, what you are up to, what you are doing. They are even worried. Are you married? Are you getting married? This person is worried because I think someone, either this person is expecting a baby, or they have heard a news that you, our viewers, might be married, or you are getting married, or there is a thing about a baby. I don't know what's going on, but there is definitely someone has told them that maybe you are getting married, or if you are already, our viewers are married, they have told, their friends have said that you are expecting or something, or your work is doing exceptionally well. People, this person, people are talking to this person about you, and they are also keeping an eye on your social media and your work and if this person is married, I don't see that, but maybe for some of you, if they are married, they are not happy there. They are definitely unhappy. In fact, they are, not happy. They see you as the wife or the husband material. They are not happy there, absolutely not. Serendipity, yeah, this person is waiting for the right time and the right moment to message you. They are waiting. I told you, friends, number 18 might be significant for some of you. Number 13, 18, 11, 12, and 23 and 27 are important. So friends, I do feel this person wants to message you, and you may bump into this person somewhere, on social media, on social groups, WhatsApp groups, or maybe if you are working together in the Zoom meeting, they may try to bump into your group or something because they want to talk to you. What else? Ooh, message in a bottle. This person is head over heels, restless. Now they can't get you out of their head. Now they are stuck. They want to message you. They feel time is losing. I see they are getting, we need to do something. We need to do something. Let's see the extra messages. Embrace, number 21. See, this person, this person is like, they want you to accept them back, or they want you to accept what they did. They want you to like open your arms and say yes for them. And no matter what they have done, they are sorry for it, but they expect, that you will forgive them or something. They want to be this world for you. They want to offer you this universe, this heaven, this love, this joy. And the 10, wheel of fortune. Oh my god, definitely I think some past life karma or some past life situations affected your connection. So this person is waiting for divine timing or the right timing to when you are ready to forgive them, or maybe things are more uh, things are more, things are more calm. They will definitely try to message you. So yes, there is this 10 of wheel of fortune here. So they also feel very lucky about you. They want to travel towards you if they are in long distance. They want to meet you. They want to give this another fresh start. Let's see this romance angel's message. Let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Yeah, see, I think this person has triggered your ego. They have hurted your ego. So you are now like, go away, go away. I'll block you. I'll cut you. I'll just never show me your face. I'll block you everywhere. You are in that energy of the Queen of Swords. You are like, go away. How dare you? So you are very upset, and I think it's rightfully so, because they did something to you. They do definitely are, their ego has learned a lesson. They are learning to cooperate, and they are learning how to treat you well. I think you should give this relationship or maybe this situation some time. So if you feel like it, but that's how it is. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. At the end of the day, it is your free will. You may or may not accept them back, but if you let go of the controlling this relationship or this ego of each other, it might work out. Messages, what this person wants to say to our viewers. Okay, blocked throat chakra. What they want to say to our viewers. What this person wants to say to our viewers. I read all your text and messages, but I don't reply. That's so mean, seriously. No wonder you are like, I'm not going to see This person's face again. You're really upset with this person, aren't you, friends? Let me know in the comment section. I know you are going to blast off. So be easy on me. I'm just a medium. I'm just a reader, nothing else. I'm with you. I'm on your side, not on their side. Feminist all the way. Block throat chakra, yeah, this person is watching, not saying. They do have a lot to say to you because there is the message of in a bottle, there is the Eight of Wands. They have a lot to say to you. I feel you don't love me anymore, yeah. You have really shown this person their place. So they definitely are scared now. They are scared of you. I miss our deep conversations, all night talks. Ooh, I told you, this person is missing you. This person is like, what happened? I don't think so. Anybody has treated this person. This person is a little pampered. Like they had love very easily. Everybody surrounded after them. If they were, men or women, love was attraction, love was easy for them. They never had to work for it. But like you came out and they just don't know what you are. They can't control you. X alert. Yeah, I told you, there is like some of them could be getting married, or maybe they already are, or there could be an ex in their life. I also feel some friends are playing some tricks in this connection because when I see this, uh, when I see this house, when I picked it, it reminded me of Halloween, the trick and treat time, So someone, you are the candy for this person, but someone is tricking them. So it could be their ego, it could be an ex, it could be their friends. I feel pain, lots of it. Ooh, okay, we know that. Depression, anxiety also. I'm sorry, but I never cheated on you. Yeah, you might have caught this person red-handed. I still stalk your social media. I told you, friends, this person is after you, your social media. They can't get over you. How could you do this to me? They are really surprised. No one ever treated them like this, like they used to treat people. You just did exactly the same, and they were like, what just happened? I will always be there for you now and ahead. Oh, that's so sweet. That's really sweet. My soul, my higher self is awakening me. Yeah, this person is definitely working on learning to cooperate, learning to embrace their ego, learning to open their heart. I read all your text and messages, but I don't reply. I was weak and scared then, but I am more sure now. I definitely feel this person and will might message you, and you might meet this person by chance or by destiny. So yeah, there is a chance of this connection getting better. So that's it for now. Do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Click the bell icon if you have already subscribed. Join us on Insta as Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Hi, beautiful angels. So, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful fairy purple house, let's see what is happening with your person. What are their current thoughts and feelings about you? We'll also be taking the love messages for you. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Vens Tarot if you enjoyed this reading. Your cards are Seven of Cups. Wow, the Knight of Cups, beautiful. King of Cups, the Six of Swords, the Star, the Devil. Ooh. Friends, a steaming hot connection, and the Six of Pentacles. Who, friends, definitely your person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel a very strong Gemini energy. So maybe this person is a Gemini, or, cusp between Gemini and a water sign, probably. So maybe June, July, they might be a cusp between. I also feel June, July are important for some of you. So what's happening with this person? This person is seriously confused right now. Yes, they are struggling, friends. Right now, this person is going through a lot of confusion, lot of decisions. I also feel this person is trying to delude themselves, confuse themselves. They know what they need to do, but they are trying to justify the wrong actions. They are trying to, overthink this situation, overthink this whole situation. They love you, yes, absolutely, they love you. This person is in love with you, but there is some immaturity, or there is some sort of I don't know how to say this. I feel like this person is in a little bit of self pride, or maybe they overthink sometimes, and that's exactly what they are thinking. Like, they are immature, they are overthinking their decisions. I also feel this person has choices in life, like they can choose you or their work, or they are literally confused about their life path also, because you are the viewers are very very um our viewers are very connected to their work. You are very connected to your work, your spirit, what you need to do. You are very clear, you are level headed. And this person is completely the opposite. They are all over the place right now. This person is having like emotional mood swings. This person is like, they don't know what they need to do in life, they don't know their life purpose. They sometimes, this person does things just for the sake, because others are telling them, or because that's easy for them to do. I also feel, friends, this person didn't give you time. Yeah, this person was not at all giving you time. They were completely ignoring you, keeping you waiting. This person and your connection was nice, but somewhere it started to become toxic, or it started to follow a pattern which was not healthy for you. This person kept you waiting, or only you were giving, our viewers were giving to this person, but they were not at all. They were taking and taking and taking from you. At one point of time, it became a completely imbalanced situation, a connection that was imbalanced. And I think that was because this person lacks some emotional maturity. I also feel, friends, this person is intoxicated with your beauty. This person is intoxicated with your beauty, your passion, the way you live, the way you smile. This person just can't get over you. And sometimes the physical attraction between you and this person is so high that you may have felt, our viewers, that this is lust, and just lust for them. Where is the love? Because they were not reciprocating your love. This person kept you waiting. I still feel right now also they are struggling with addictions. I also feel this person could be married, or they could be struggling to get out of a toxic relationship, toxic work environment, or their family is toxic. Sorry to say, sometimes families could be, or the dynamics could be. It's not that family is toxic for us, but it is the dynamics that we form in those little, it's like, you see how things are. Let me explain it now. Now you'll say she explains very nice. I know that. You see, you draw a flower, and then you fill colors with it in it, right? So family is also like that. It's a flower, and we can fill it with any colors. But sometimes the colors are too dark, too morbid. So it kinds of not happy dynamics. But you can, sometimes the colors are a group of a rainbow. Sometimes they are very nice, friendly. So I do feel this person is addicted to something, and they are not able to break out of it. It could be they are married, they are struggling, they are unhappy there, but they are refusing to move out of it. It could be they love you, but they just can't make a decision and stand up for it. Also, I feel this person is sexually, physically over the moon in love with you, and they just don't know how to say it in words. I also feel, friends, this person keeps getting your dreams. I don't know why, but there is some sign they have recently, or you have got, our viewers, some sign they have got about you. Some clear message, and they were very surprised to get that message. This person definitely wants to make this connection better. They want to keep make forward progress in this connection. They want to be this mature person, They want to be the person who protects you, who reciprocates your love, who understands you, who is there for you. They want to be this person, and they don't want that you should fight for their attention. And they need to I'll have to clarify. There is, maybe this person is into drinking, I don't know, or you know, they could be married, or there is an ex which doesn't let them go. Something is toxic in their life. Maybe they just can't make a decision. They are just, they just get stuck. Or they could be having self doubts. That could also be an addiction. Not standing up for your decisions. I feel there is lust, that's causing issues. A leg up, yeah. I think this person needs to really mature up, and they realize it. They have realized it, that they need to mature up, they need to figure their things out, and they need to be and they are this responsible person, this king of cups or this queen of cups. I think so, for if she's a woman, she might also be very much career oriented. She might be obsessed with her career, her business, and you both may have age gap and different cultures. So some of you, your family may not agree on this connection, and somewhere you may also feel they are very workaholic, especially if she's a woman. You are like, why is she workaholic? I mean, even men work. Don't judge her. Yeah, I do see that. See, TikTok, you feel, oh my god, time is running, time is running. This person knows they need to figure things out quickly, otherwise, they will lose the chance with you. Also, the question is about marriage. You want to marry this person, they know they can't delay it any further. If they don't give you an answer soon, you are off, or they can't, they know their time is less now. They need to make some quick decisions and fix it soon. Some of you could be 30 years old, or maybe 28, in your 20s, in your 30s. So you want things to happen quickly. Wow, all that glitters. Yeah, this person is delusional. This person is like, they don't know what to choose. I think this person has some self-doubt issues, confidence issues. They don't trust their decisions. I think in life they have been taking, someone else have been taking their decisions. Maybe their family, or maybe they put themselves in difficult situations where they have no choices. So right now they are all over the place. Let's see extra messages. Heart chakra, number 4. This person absolutely loves you. They love you, they are head over heels in love with you. In fact, this person has never expressed their love. They have a blocked heart chakra. They need to open it, and they need to figure it out quickly and soon, because otherwise, oh my god, another 4. Look at this, 4 4. This is the 4 of wands. Marriage. This person, the issue is marriage. Maybe they are married, they need to come and say sorry to you, or they need to marry you. Someone you both need to sit and talk. This person needs to sit and tell you what is in their heart. It's high time. Let's see the messages from romance angels. Past life relationship, you have known each other before. See, this connection is very strong, friends. The attraction is amazing. You might be twin flames also, and you feel the sexual chemistry is so strong in this connection that it somehow, it confuses them, your partner. It is a very intense connection. It also confuses our viewers, but somehow you are very clear. Our viewers are very clear. You are spiritually very advanced. So congratulations, our viewers. I think I do feel there is a need. We can do a sexual reading, pick a card reading. Let me know in the comment section. I usually don't do that reading. 18 plus above readings. Let us see what will happen. God only knows. Let's see the messages, because I do see the passion and intensity is amazing in this connection, and they do want to share their love through romance, through poetry. What do this person wants to say to our viewers? Wow, the card that fell, you will not believe it, friends. Trust me. You will say now that I just this isn't real. I know that. but you will come back when things are perfect, and then you can tell me it was perfect. Friends, you can tell me all negative things, all positive things, it doesn't affect me. I tell you why. Because when I read, I know what's truth, I know how it is, how things are. That's what a good reader, that's our job, you know, that's our job. So I know. Good news regarding your love will come to you soon. So, congratulations. I told you this person is planning something. They definitely know they are on time limit. They need to do something quickly before they lose you forever. We will be together in this lifetime. Congratulations, friends. This person wants to be with you in this lifetime, marry you. If they are not married, definitely they want to marry you. We will meet very soon. Keep up the hopes. So, this is the second card, which is like we will be together in this lifetime. We will meet very soon. Keep your hopes high. I don't know why you are so mad at me. Yeah, of course. I think you doubt this person because they keep you waiting and they just behave a little immaturely. You expect a lot from this person. Blocked heart chakra. Oh my god. Oh my god, friends. That's what I was telling you. Look at this. In fact, I look at this. I saw something else also. Blocked heart chakra. Look at this. I saw something else also. So I think that card is here. There is so much I never said to you. That's what I was telling you. This person needs to say something. They are keeping it inside. I feel anxious and depressed. Yeah, they could be going through addictions, family and karmic ties. Yeah, there could be someone affecting your connection, family, third party. Maybe you are married, they are married. I'm trying to work things out on my side. Definitely, absolutely. I remember everything, every detail, every date. I haven't forgotten you. And you are my ultimate home. And look at this. You are my ultimate home. Look at this, friends. Absolutely. Yes, you trigger me and my past wounds. And what are the past wounds? You both have known each other in your past life. So, friends, give it some time if you want to. I do see things will work out. You need to give them some time because a lot of karma is working out here. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic Seep saying bye. So for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful blue house, fairy house, let's see what your person is happening in their life, their messages for you. These are your love messages. We'll also be pulling some extra love messages from here. Your cards are 9 of Cups, the Justice, this is nice, the 8 of Pentacles, the Magician, the 8 of Swords, the 4 of Wands, the 8 of Cups, and the Moon. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. The Magician, the Moon, and the 4 of Wands. Wow. This person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or our viewers could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You both could be Aries, Leo, Sag. I feel this person is quite attractive or they are very charming. Look at this. You find them very, I think people find them very mysterious, very charming, very attractive, seductive. I feel this person has walked away from this connection. I don't know what happened, but this person just walked away, ghosted you. They just, the connection was good, things were going good, and then they just went away. I think this is a twin flame relationship because the sun and moon is here. And look at this, the moon is also here, 1111 is also here. Again, Magician number 1 is here, Infinity. And again, the Justice is here. I definitely feel this person is your twin flame or someone very important in your life. This person walked away from you, and I think you also you waited for this person to come back. Even right now, maybe, or even recently, you were waiting for them to come back, but then you decided, nah, it's not gonna work. You also moved away. So I see first they moved away, then our viewers also left this connection. I feel your person is very scared, you know. This person has some inner doubts, inner fears, and they feel very restricted, very blocked in themselves. And that is the reason this person ran away from this connection. This is the true case of a runner and a chaser. I think this person just ran away because this was the dream come true relationship of their life. This relationship was the perfect romance they can ever find, the most it was even better than what they were expecting. It was like they wanted they wanted they had a wish, but God gave them a total party, and not just they wanted a cake on their birthday, but God started the whole party for them. Look at this, a whole celebration, and you came into their life, and this person was amazed. They were not expecting to find you. You are their dream, you are their wish come true. You had spent some many happy moments with this person. They still think about those happy times. They are still missing those happy times. They want to recreate those happy days again with you. I think this person has ran away from you and they regret it. They regret it because sometimes this person is so deep, or sometimes this person is so much into their emotions that they can't figure things out. Also, they find you a little mysterious, or this connection a little mysterious, that like they can't trust it. It's not that they can't trust it or it's not trustworthy, it's just in their mind. I also feel, friends, this person, some of, maybe this person is a lawyer or doctor or someone who is into healing in public sector, because I feel maybe you both are in public sector. Someone's work also became a problem in this connection. Like, maybe you were working too much or they were working too much. So time schedules, time zones could never match. Maybe you were in different countries, different cities, different cultures. So it could just never match. I also feel, friends, this person is trying to manifest you back. They are trying very hard to manifest you back. And I don't think so this person even knows how to manifest or all those things. But, once they lost you, they regretted it. And someone may have told them, or maybe on YouTube they heard that they can wish and have things back, and so they are trying really to manifest you back, and they don't know how to, so they are trying. I also feel, friends, marriage is an issue. Maybe one of you is married, or marriage, you wanted to marry this person, they also want to marry you, but something is going on. I feel marriage is a problem here. Like, this person is married or you are married, and they want to get out of this, but they are not able to get out of it. Or maybe they are out of the marriage, but they have kids, so they just can't come up and say hello to you, because of the responsibilities. I also feel, friends, maybe this person is a student in college, in university, or they are still young. They are trying to work and manage their work schedule. I see them working very hard. They have a busy schedule. They have no time right now in life, but they really, whenever they are free, they think about you. They feel happy about you, and they think how it would be to marry you, and how beautiful it would be to marry you and be with you. I definitely feel this person regrets losing you. You were like the moon, you were like that. You are like that dream which is impossible to have, but they had it for a while. This person, let's see what's going on. No place like home. I feel like this person is, I don't know, they are still not ready to come towards, or they are content with where they are right now, busy at work, just thinking about you, yin, receptive energy. They definitely want to shower you with love, with affection, with romance. They want to take you out on a romantic date. If you had gone to a romantic date, they remember that. I also feel, friends, that marriage is an issue. Maybe this person is, marriage or family is an issue. So they are right now with their family, or they are married. They are not happy there, but they just can't do anything. What's happening with this person, angels? Fork in the road. Yeah, they do have a choice. Number 13. They do have a choice. They can make a move towards you, and absolutely, if they are not married, it's just their career keeping them apart, or just their ignorance keeping them apart. They definitely want to come towards you and shower you with love, with affection, with romance, with love, with joy. This person is really romantic. I feel this person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you both could be these sun signs. I also feel Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, so maybe that's the sun sign. Seek number 9. This person is a little confused, friends. They don't know what they want right now, and they are trying to meditate, contemplate, focus on their life, build their career. They are trying to understand what they need to do. And look at this, success and growth number 8. Yeah, they are trying to, find the answer. Something is missing from their life. Some answer is missing. They are looking for it. Why they ran away from you, why they keep running away from you. They know, they are meditating on that and trying to figure that out. They also want to make this connection successful, and they also want their career and their life and this relationship to be prosperous, happy. They want this marriage with you. They want to have kids with you. They want to officially date you if they can. If they can't, they are content, but if they can, they definitely want to do that, achieve that. Let's see your romance angels. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your life. Yes, friends, yes. Some divine timing is affecting this connection, and also this person is in the hermit mode. Like they are working on themselves, on this manifesting you, on manifesting their success, and go the distance. Number 47, yes. Once the timing is right, and once they have figured out what they are thinking, or what they are seeking, this relationship have a chance to go the distance. Let's see the messages from your person. Ooh, oh God, what this person wants to say to our viewers. Oh my God, I will take them all because I don't know, I will take them all. All of the cards actually want to come out. I think this person hasn't talked with you in a while, isn't it? Let's see. Divine timing is at work. Oh my God. Oh God, friends. See, I told you divine timing is at work in this life, in your connection. Yes. So definitely, friends, divine timing is at work in this connection, as the card also says. Oh my God, blocked throat chakra again. Yeah, I feel this person is not having a blocked throat chakra. It is just that they are a little content where they are, a little too comfortable wherever they are right now. And I am sorry, but I never cheated on you. Yeah, I do feel like this person may have chosen someone else, or they were too much into casual parties or something. I will always be there for you now and ahead. Time apart has healed my childhood wounds. Definitely this person did had some childhood wounds, and I think they are trying to work on it. They are trying to figure out things. This person has mommy daddy issues. I told you, like, this person, I told you they are a little too comfortable in life, right now also, and somehow they never took their own decisions and they ran away. I don't know what happened. They just ran away. I don't like you right now. Oh God. Yeah, that's the energy, collective energy. Nobody is liking anybody, especially in the twin flames. I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me? Oh, this person loves you. I'm tired of fighting with you. Yeah, they want to come back. They want to have this happy union, this happy romantic dates with you here. This card. Let us talk one more time and make things better. See? I can feel your pain. Please smile for me. Yeah, this person is, they know they have hurt you. They want you to smile for them because they love your smile. This person likes you when they smile and when you are happy. I was weak and scared then, but I am more confident now. Yeah, this person has some self-doubt issues also. I read all your text and messages, but I don't reply. Yeah, that I think this person is like a little too content right now. They are like, I don't know, they are enjoying it. They are meditating about their life and they are quite enjoying it. All this intensity is new to me, so I'm not sure how to handle it. See, that's why they just ran away. This Eight of Swords, this Eight of Cups, this person just ran away. They didn't know what to do. They were like, oh my God, what's going on? OMG. My soul needs time to heal. Yeah, they are meditating, they are taking their time, they are focusing on healing themselves. Third party alert. Yeah, this person could be having, they could be married, or marriage talks are there, or maybe you are married or someone is there. We are going in cycles. I hate this. Yeah, there is a cyclic pattern in this connection. They want to change it. See, if I could say the truth, our love would have been intact. Definitely, I think the pattern is the running and chasing. When you want them, they run away. When you run away, they want you. So you are not on the same page at the same time. But divine timing is at work, so you can stay worth waiting for. Definitely, friends, I feel it is for you, your time to focus on your work and life also. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. And if you want to join our Instagram, join it as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye.